Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Untitled Drains. Today we're installing a small patio drain. We've already made some concrete cuts and we're going to break that off. We're going to show you how to do that with a pry bar. The secret to doing this is, the partner saw, the concrete saw, it cuts about 4 inches. And if you cut clear through the concrete, you can easily crack this off. We're going to see if I got clear through it, so let's take a look. There's a couple of secrets to cutting concrete. Number one is you really need to cut all the way through your concrete. Number two is always add water. See how much dust there is coming off of this blade right when I started? So we add water that will cool off the blade, keep the dust down, and allow this partner saw to cut all the way through the concrete. You need a good diamond blade. You can easily rent this partner saw, the concrete saw, at any tool rental. About $45 to $60 for the half a day, and you're all set. Really a simple job. Like I said, this is a level 2. This is an easy DIY. But the secret is to cut all the way through the concrete. Don't just go down 2 inches. Cut all the way through. You'll actually see mud come up. So with your pry bar, what we want to do is just start tapping it until it cracks. And then we can just pry. You can see the cracks already. And we just pry out these sections. Each piece should come right out. Just get underneath of it. You can see the pieces prop right out. And you set your pieces off to the side and just continue. You can see how quickly it cracks. Spread them, pop them up, set them off to the side. You're going to repeat this process all the way to the other end. And you can see, if you can see, we've got about a 3-inch piece of concrete. The secret is, to cut clear through the first time. You'll be able to pop these right out of here. You don't need a jackhammer, you just need your pry bar. Okay, so let's take a look at another example. Here we're cutting the sidewalk. We've already got one side cut. We're making our second cut. And we're going to pop this out of here using the pry bar. Just take a look how easy this really is. So to break out your concrete, you just keep tapping it, keep on hitting it, and it'll break. Just keep on going. You see a crack's already formed. Now you just pry it out. It's already got it, Derek. There you go. Good, looking good. No shovel there.
Put that on tape, man.
But you can see it just pops right out of there. The secret is to cut clean through the concrete with your saw, and it will break. Concrete is a really strong substance, but you can pull that one out probably. Oh well. And just pop it right out of there. We're ready to trench across. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Untitled Drains. Today we're doing a small install. You can see behind me the downspout. This line, they had it splashing out across the walk. But what we're going to do is, you can see we've already trenched out in the area. We're going to bring it over here to a pop-up. But we've got to cut this concrete. So let's go ahead and cut that. Let me show you how you do it. The first thing that you need is you need your garden hose, because you're going to need some water to cool off this blade. Then we're going to start up the saw. This is a partner saw. It has a diamond tipped blade. Cuts concrete like butter. So let's go ahead and get started. So once you make your cuts, you take your pry bar and you just start to pound it. If you've cut all the way through, you'll be able to crack this concrete. You can see how quickly and easy it cracks. Then you just pry it up and you lift it out of the way.
Who are you talking to?
But But you can see how quick and easy this pops out of here. Real simple. Next we'll just trench through here. We'll put our pipe through here and we'll be done. So next we're going to go ahead and install this piece of 4-inch corrugated. This is solid pipe. We're going to slide it right up onto the downspout. We want to try to make it as straight as we can as it comes into the ground. There we go. Even though it moves, we'll fix it. And then out here we're going to put a pop-up. What we use is a 4-inch grate to let the water disperse. So we're going to cut this off with our saw. Then we slice this line just a little bit because we're going to squeeze it together. And it'll actually fit inside of your fitting. Then I'm going to put a screw in here to hold this nice and tight. That screw will hold things nice and tight. Get it to where we want. Now we're going to just secure it in place. We're just going to secure it in place. Just put some soil around it. Just to hold it down. Don't worry if you get muddy. It's all part of your job. So next we're just going to backfill the area. Just go ahead and cover all that up. We're going to backfill the area, clean it off, then we'll set the concrete. So once you have it backfilled, you take your garden hose, of course wash it all off because you're going to has to be real clean. We're going to be putting concrete back here. So let's just start spraying it off, real simple. You don't need to worry so much about any mud or dirt that's on the outside, but what you do need to do is make sure that your edges are really clean right here, because this is where the concrete sticks. So using your concrete saw to cut the driveway, you're going to make 2 cuts all the way across the driveway. Make sure that you cut all the way through the concrete. That is the most important part of using this saw. You can use the channel drain to help keep the straight edge. In other words, you want to have a very straight line, or as straight as possible. Always remember to add that garden hose a little trickle of water to help keep that dust down and cool off the blade. This will help make a very clean cut. Once we've got it all cut, simply use your pry bar. Pound it a few times, it will crack. Do not use a sledgehammer. That's going to hurt your back, and it's going to make that concrete shatter, make a lot more debris. Easy with the pry bar. You don't need a jackhammer. In our next video, if you've never mixed up concrete from a bag of concrete, the 80-pound bags that you see at Home Depot and Lowe's, we're going to show you how easy that is and how to put it back to finish out your job. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Okay, so let's recap. What had been happening here is, water had been coming down this driveway, and of course what it was doing was turning and flooding into this carport and destroying the wood inside that shed. So we put in a catch basin, we cut the driveway, put in a catch basin, new pipe comes out, picks up the downspout, all the way out, cut the walk, goes all the way out